안녕하세요. Hi, I'm Yoon Ssam. Today I'm here to do something very special. 아주 특이한 걸 하거든요. 오늘 여기 눈썹을 좀 그려볼 거예요. I'm here to do some kind of tattoo on the eyebrow. I hope it turns out to be good. In Korea, it's very popular, and all the idols that you know of, they always do that. I'm not the idol, but yeah, just on behalf of you, I'm gonna try something new for you guys. Okay? I'm going there. Okay? Remember how it looks like. Okay? Okay. See you guys. Bye. Okay, so they did what do you call it? Trim my eyebrow here. Reshape before they're drawing something. And they're gonna draw something on top of this one, right?
Yes.
Okay. By the way, I didn't press the button just now. Take a look here, left and right. It has to be identical. If you're looking at the differences, please let me know right now. Otherwise, yeah, looks like this. Like this. Yeah. And after this, they will do a marking on the drawing, and they'll raise this drawing, and then they will do a embroidery or some sort of things. Okay. Go to the next step. Bye. Whoa. Yeah, look at this. Fun. Alright, so I'm lying on the bed and they will do something on my eyebrow. Okay. Okay, I can see it from here too. Yes, can you see the blue marking, right? It's a marking around the shape. And then later they will wipe off this design and draw this things. The eyebrow look like an eyebrow, right? Yeah, you can see the sexy eyebrow here. Yeah. Okay, so this is stage 3 where you apply the numb cream on the eyebrow before they proceed to the next steps. So it will get numb in 25 minutes. It goes by one, like left and right. Can I go both at the same time? I guess I feel a little bit of sensations on the eyebrow right now. Hopefully it turn out to be good. And so you can see the sexy eyebrow here. A little bit of like angry word. Alright. Today's word, Korean word. 눈썹. The drawing is gone. Yeah. Yeah. I can see that. Much more natural now. This is not touch, right?
No.
Not yet.
Not
This
yet.
is touch.
Just draw the lining for you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Boom. There's a new eyebrow here, right? Oh yes. Very straight and sharp and like very trendy. Can you feel it? Yeah. Yeah. I don't remember how I look like with all my eyebrow right now.
I can show you your previous, the before.
Okay. Looks good. Yeah, it's very like pretty new impressions on me. Old look. This is old me. This is new me. Old me, new me. There was a little bit uneven, uneven eyebrow here and there, right? Now I can see that it's very straight and clear and even colors. So there's a couple of procedures, right? You shouldn't touch this one with your soap and any cleansers. You need to apply this one every morning and night to soothing your skin because it's a bit cut and here and there, right? Anyway, how do you feel? How do you feel about new leg? Okay, please comment below. Thank you, bye.